toe just on that knee. Take it nice and slow. You can put your hands on your hips if you want, or you can hold them in first. But I want to see your toe hit your knee. Your toe hits your knee every time. Go ahead, Olivia. Toe to your knee. That's it. Nice big hop. Good. Go around. That's better. Go longer. Stand up nice and tall. Arms, arms, arms.
Maybe he gets so excited when he sees that.
Here or here. Go ahead as well.
Just what you could do if you could get close enough.
Good. And the other position.
All over my glasses.
Skip it. What have we been practicing? These are brains up. That's it. That's it. We got one and the other. Let's do both arabesques. Both arabesques. Both arabesques. Go ahead, Logan. Good. Go, Olivia. Go ahead, Isabel.
He's trying to take her this one.
Arabesque? Where's arabesque? That's it. Go ahead. Ellen. Now let's try one of each. One passe, one arabesque. One passe, one arabesque. Who wants to go first? All right, Brianna. Excellent job. Go ahead, Olivia. Good. Very nice. Can you stretch that leg behind you? Show me the difference between passe and arabesque. Good.
That's confusing. I know, I want you to do it. I will. Make it later.
Good.
On
Take
camera.
those legs up. Do we need to drink water? We're doing okay. Drink the water. Real quick.
First, you guys need to drink a lot
Drink the water.
Yeah, maybe. But he watched that this year.
I did that. My mom just watched it.